Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Hi my beautiful sisters. Today's video is gonna be a little different. I'm doing a summer shoe haul, like basic summer shoe haul. Shoes that you like, essential shoes, you know, shoes you can wear with anything, because my #1 problem is I shop a lot, but I shop outfits, like when I'm going somewhere and I shop outfits, like, and my shoes always match with my outfits, and it's like, where else am I gonna wear the shoes? So I don't have shoes like that, and I was always complaining about it. And my man was like, hey yo, just get some shoes, like I got you. I was like, okay, I will get some shoes. So y'all, like, when y'all see this stuff, right, don't be judging me like, girl, you're wild, like, you're wild, why you spend that type of money on shoes? And it's like, no sis, I always shop. Yeah, I shop a lot, but like I always shop smart, okay? Like I always have a coupon code. Like if there's no coupon code, I'm not shopping, okay? Like I finesse the coupon code every single time. I don't know how I do it, but I do. When I was getting the shoes, my man was like, why are you like taking so long to get the shoes? And I was like, relax, okay, relax. I gotta take my time. I gotta see the sales. I gotta see what's on sale. I gotta see what I can finesse. I gotta go on another website to see if it's not cheaper there and I get it there. You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta finesse if you're gonna shop this much, okay? Like finesse your way. Finesse coupon codes. It's possible, y'all. It's very possible. My haul today comes from Pretty Little Thing. So I got a big old bag, Pretty Little Thing, and don't judge me, y'all, a nice big old box from Fashion Nova. This box from Fashion Nova. So I'm gonna unbox everything for y'all. I'm gonna basically be unboxing it, showing y'all the shoes, and telling you why I got. These are essential shoes that you need that can go with anything. You feel it? Alright, stay tuned. This is from Fashion Nova, and these shoes are just perfect because they will go with every single thing that I want to wear. Baby, they're transparent. Like, they go with anything. The only thing that might mess you up is the color of the inside, but then again, like, I feel like it'll go with everything. These little babies, just love them. Look, they're just, it's so long, it's so long. Like, I just love them. Like, look, they're so cute. So, yeah, as you can see for yourself, these are baddies. These are hot. These are nice. You can't wear them with everything, but you need a nice printed shoe. You just need it, okay? You need some nice printed shoes. So my next Pretty Little Thing item are these little babies, okay? A white shoe. Baby, you need a white shoe. You need at least one white shoe in your closet. Just cuz, you know, it's essential. I said all my shoes are essential that I got. I just needed one white shoe that I can just rock with. They're wedges, like, they're stylish wedges. Like, I haven't had wedges in so long, like, and this, like, I just love. Next shoe is like my absolute favorite. Like my friends is already trying to steal my shoes already. It's like, sis, wait, let me wear it, okay? So these are my favorite. Like I got them. So I wear a size 7, right? But I was like, yo, I want these shoes so bad because like they just will go with everything. Like I could wear these anytime. Like I need them. So I got it in a size 6. It was wild, but it worked, okay? And they're these. Yo, these shoes are so fire to me. All the styles that are recent right now, it got the pointed toe, the transparent, the snakeskin, and they're black. Like, yo, you can wear these with anything. Like, they go with everything and anything. But guess what? They're comfortable. I wore them this week and I was like, whoa. Okay, so if you want these shoes, they are sold out, okay? But don't even worry about it. If they have a size down, just get it because it can work. You know what I did? I stretched out the plastic because their plastic was like not hard. Like Fashion Nova, I don't like their plastic because they're gonna be hard. But like their plastic isn't hard. So like I just stretched, like I just did this to it and right here to open it up a little bit, and it was good. It was good money after that. It worked. And I love these shoes. Like I literally love them. They're my favorite shoes. And next I'm going into my Fashion Nova stuff, because we know I love Fashion Nova. And I got these heels. And these heels are so comfortable. I have a specific type of shoe that I always wear. It's like the strappy heels, but I haven't really been into chunky heels. These are my first pair of chunky heels, and they are like amazing. It's like, why was I not wearing chunky heels before? Like, you wear these and you feel like you don't have heels on, because it has a platform right here and it's high, but like you don't feel that you're wearing heels. You can literally wear these all night. I've worn them and I love them. Like, and they're black. Like, sis, get with the black stuff. Okay, these are some basic sandals, just some cute sandals. I just wanted a different color type of sandal, and we know I love a strappy, so we got the strappy with the tassels, and it's just cute to me. I just feel like I love snakeskin. Can you tell? Can you really tell? I just love me a snakeskin, and it's like these are just nice. You can wear them anywhere, you know. When you're wearing solid colors, you can pop these on and they go with it, you know what I'm saying? So I can wear these. You can wear these, matter of fact. Okay, so I lied. I got more than one favorite in this haul, right? And these shoes right here, like, they just speak to me. You feel it? Like, I don't know, I love getting called this, and like, I just love the shoes, you know. And they're these. They say baby girl, and I just love it. Like, I just love the fact that they're Perspex heels that you can wear with anything. Of course, we all know that these shoes go with everything. These are actually comfortable. Like, they're actually comfortable. This plastic is not tough at all. I did have issues with Fashion Nova's like plastic in the beginning. One time I got these shoes, and these shoes, the plastic is so thin and it made the shoes bigger than me. And then I got another pair of Perspex heels and it was too tight, so that's why I got my size. I would have got a size down in these, but I didn't. But anyways, so it made me like kind of cautious when I was getting these. But this one, their plastic is loose, so it makes the shoe so comfortable. Like, your feet feel so snug in it, like, and it's just nice. Like, I just really like them. Next shoe is a basic black sandal. Again, everything. The point of this haul is stuff that I can wear on a daily basis, like, and not just, I just pop these on anytime I'm going somewhere. Next shoe is this. They have like details in the front, like studs and stuff. I got it in gold just because I don't have a gold shoe, and I mean, you got to have your basic range of color. Gold, you gotta have white, you gotta have black, you gotta have silver, you gotta have tan, you know what I'm saying? So these are my one pair of gold shoes that I have. That is the end of this essential summer shoe haul. They're just shoes that I liked, that I feel like I could wear with everything, and you know, I'm not just wasting my money when I buy shoes and wear once. And sis, don't even worry about it. I got you. I'm gonna put the links down below. You don't gotta go searching for them, okay? I'll put them down below. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and be back, because I'm coming at y'all with videos. I'm not slacking this time, okay? I'm coming at y'all